Are you in job?
No.
I'm just messing with you. I think you like it, but
No, I'm kidding.
you probably would like it.
No, I don't know about that. Yeah. And he thought he had that advantage on me.
Subscribe and embark on an exhilarating odyssey where police interaction intertwines with concealed secrets, lawsuits, and rampant misconduct. Number 1. This gripping tale revolves around a local sheriff's investigation that prompts state and federal authorities to intervene, all triggered by allegations that a deputy demanded sexual favors from a suspect. Central to this case is a covertly recorded conversation that has sent shockwaves across the internet.
You come over here, I ain't gonna jump on your ass, I promise you.
I mean, I'm good. I'm alright.
The story begins in Monroe County, where Deputy Bill Miller, a recent addition to the department, finds himself at the center of a scandal. But how did events unfold?
Hi, Miss Roberts, come on over here with me.
Deputy Bill Miller joined the Monroe County Sheriff's Department in April, after serving as a police officer in Georgia since 2014. However, it was a conversation he had with a woman he had previously arrested that now jeopardizes his career.
Deputy Miller?
Yeah.
I need to ask you about a woman you arrested recently.
On a desolate dirt road, the off-duty deputy approaches the woman he had arrested, seeking a favor that no officer should ever request. Unbeknownst to him, she had other plans. Ashley Roberts, a 34-year-old woman from Union City, had been arrested by Deputy Miller on suspicion of drunk driving and possession of methamphetamine, but she was about to turn the tables on him. Several weeks after being released on bond, Ashley receives a call from Deputy Miller, requesting a late-night meeting in a parking lot. Little did he know that Ashley had taken precautions to protect herself. Equipped with a recording device, Ashley captures the shocking conversation that later becomes crucial evidence in the investigation. Their recorded conversation begins with Ashley's pending charges.
I know how to get rid of them.
Well, how is that?
All I gotta do is talk to the DA.
Well, I know that's how you can get rid of them, but me, on the other hand,
What's up with you?
that should have made me think. Ain't no police in their right mind gonna ask for information this time of night.
Recording exposes a disturbing exchange as Deputy Miller pressures Ashley for information on drug dealers while making inappropriate demands. He also gave Ashley a beer for leverage and to also get her into the mood.
The whole reason I gave you the beer. Leverage.
Oh, what leverage would that be?
Well, you gotta get it thing over there.
So what are you trying to do? You trying to blackmail me or something?
Yeah.
Oh, it ain't gonna work.
It won't?
No.
I'm just messing with you.
Okay.
Do you think he was really just messing with you?
No,
What do you think he was doing?
I think he was serious.
His abuse of authority is evident, leaving Ashley feeling violated and betrayed. The 19-minute recording paints a damning portrait of Deputy Miller's intentions. He manipulates Ashley, implying that he can make her charges disappear in exchange for sexual favors. He even went on to ask for a boob shot.
Sure no boobs?
Yeah, I'm sure.
God mighty.
Sorry.
Can't you give me the dignity of a boob shot?
Sorry.
One boob.
Please don't fault me for that.
I really don't want to have sex with you. I just with you.
I have.
I mean, I would, because you're not a bad looking girl. You just straighten your ass out.
As the recording plays, the gravity of the situation becomes apparent. Ashley's courage in capturing this evidence ensures that the truth cannot be denied. The recording not only exposes Deputy Miller's misconduct, but it also leads investigators to crucial physical evidence: a bagged can of Coors Light with a receipt that links it to Deputy Miller. Armed with this incriminating evidence, the Monroe County Sheriff's Department takes immediate action. Deputy Miller is promptly placed on paid administrative leave pending the outcomes of state and federal investigations. As investigators delve deeper into the case, Ashley's probation, which she was serving at the time of her DUI arrest, is revoked. She is returned to Fulton County Jail, while Deputy Miller's fate hangs in the balance. The repercussions of this case extend far beyond the individuals involved, eroding trust in the very system designed to protect and serve. By choosing this route, the conviction will remain on his record indefinitely. He will never be eligible to work as a law enforcement officer again. The conviction has also been reported to the Georgia Peace Officers Standards and Training Council. As a part of his punishment, Miller consented to being prohibited from residing in Butts, Lamar, and Monroe counties. He is subsequently relocated to Pennsylvania, where he is fulfilling his probationary period. Number 2. In the vast expanse of the Tennessee highway, there exists a tale that transcends the boundaries of a routine traffic stop. This is the gripping account of Patricia Wilson, a woman whose ordinary day took an extraordinary turn. It seemed like any other day on the road when Patricia Wilson found herself in the crosshairs of a relentless pursuit for justice. As the wheels of her pickup truck carried her forward, fate intervened in the form of flashing blue lights. A Tennessee state trooper, determined to enforce the law, signaled Patricia to pull over. As Patricia rolled down her window, the trooper, in a stern voice, requested her license and registration, before asking her if she took any medication.
Do you take any prescription medication or anything? Just wondering if the conditions are very small, okay?
No, I swear to God, I can tell you. No, I'm telling you now, no drugs, no nothing, no alcohol.
occurred next would forever shatter the illusion of a routine encounter. Patricia was ordered to place her hands on the hood of the trooper's police cruiser while he conducted a search.
I felt like I was harassed.
She claims the trooper was not conducting a search, but rather, he was violating her in the most intimate way.
Where his hands are, how far in my pants he is, and how long it takes him to remove his hands from that area.
In a bid to assert her innocence, Patricia was then asked to face the trooper, hoping to prove that there was nothing hidden within her. A field sobriety test followed, prolonging the ordeal to a grueling 15 minutes. Finally, she was issued a ticket for a minor offense, failure to wear her seatbelt. Patricia, relieved that the encounter was over, continued on her way to work. 3 hours passed, and Patricia's thoughts were consumed by the traumatic event. But little did she know that her journey home would soon be marred by the echoes of her previous encounter. In an eerie twist of fate, the same trooper pulled her over again, just a stone's throw away from her residence. The trooper claimed her car window tint was too dark and accused her of erratic driving. Fear engulfed Patricia's heart.
I felt like I was harassed and stopped. Being pulled over second time, not even a quarter of a mile away from my home, that then scared me. That's why I felt like I was being stalked.
The trooper in question was Isaiah Lloyd. An investigation was launched by the DEA, scrutinizing his conduct. Though it concluded that his actions were inconsistent with his training, there was deemed to be no basis for criminal charges. She took a stand against the trooper, seeking justice for the humiliation she endured. Now, in a relentless pursuit of redemption, she has filed a lawsuit demanding $100,000 in damages. While the Tennessee Highway Patrol claims that Trooper Lloyd conducted the search in a professional manner, the state of Tennessee, recognizing the validity of her claims, ultimately decided to settle the lawsuit. In a gesture of acknowledgement and recompense, they agreed to pay her $25,000. This settlement not only provided her with a sense of vindication, but it also served as a validation of her struggle and the harassment she endured. If you want to watch more police cam stories, subscribe and turn on notifications for more.